Jamaica gets another area code to start 10-digit local dialing. Jamaica gets additional area code 658. Call 658. Jamaica gets additional area code. 10-digit dialing becomes mandatory in May 2018. The story up next. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment. Please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Jamaica now has an additional area code 658. And the Office of Utility Regulations OUR says come May 31, 2018, 10-digit will become mandatory for local calls. That is the 3-digit area code plus a 7-digit number. At present, callers do not have to dial the area code when making local calls. This new code will be used in addition to and not as a replacement for the existing 876 area code, said OUR Director General Ansord E. Hewitt. It will be used once the existing telephone numbers under the 876 area code are exhausted. However, the most immediate change will be the introduction of 10-digit dialing for local telephone calls come May 31, 2018. The OUR says the additional area code will ensure that there are sufficient numbers to meet the demand over the next 25 years. Under the Telecommunications Act, the OUR has full responsibility for the allocation, assignment to service providers and usage of telecommunications numbers in Jamaica. The additional area code 658 means the introduction of 10-digit dialing will not mean an increase in telephone charges. The introduction of 10-digit dialing will not mean anyone has to change existing telephone numbers. And what to do now? Businesses and government agencies should start adding the current 876 area code on all their printed materials and signage. Users of alarm services and solutions with automatic dialers and operators of PBX systems should contact their service providers to ensure that their systems will be compatible with the new numbering and dialing arrangements. Permissive dialing period. Come May 31, 2018, there will be an adjustment period known as a permissive dialing period. During this time, if only the 7-digit telephone number is dialed, the caller will hear a recording reminding him or her to dial the number using the area code plus the 7-digit number. However, the call will be completed to the called number. After the permissive dialing period is ended, all local calls will require the 10-digit dialing to be completed. For example, to call the OUR, persons will have to dial 876-968-6053. The OUR says it expects the telecommunication service providers will ensure that their customers are fully informed about the upcoming changes over the next several months. A little background on the current 876 area code. Jamaica's 876 area code was assigned in June 1996. It was envisaged that the area code would provide sufficient number and capacity for the next 20 years of demand growth. In 2009, after just 13 years, the country had to consider the introduction of a new area code to augment the existing 876 numbering space and consequently to move from the current standardized 7-digit to a mandatory 10-digit dialing for local calls. As of December 2009, 6.25 million of the assumed capacity of 7.73 million numbers had been assigned to telecommunication service providers, and their projected 5-year demand for numbers indicated a need for 1.3 million new numbers over the next 3 years. Using its number and resource utilization and forecast survey results, the OUR estimated that the expected period for the exhaustion of area code 876 would be the fourth quarter of 2012. However, subsequent developments in the local telecommunications market, including acquisitions of local telecommunication business operations and the lowering of mobile termination rates, which lowered the utilization of the demand for number and resources, served to delay the exhaustion of the 876 area code until the current forecast date. Typically, an additional area code must be implemented at least 18 months before the exhaustion of the existing area codes serving an area. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.